Subscribe Mr. Avina's YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates on travel, lifestyle and tutorial videos coming every week.
Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. And yeah, Avinash here. I'm back with another video, the small videos which I make every Tuesday. Today I'll be teaching you guys on the different export settings which I use in Premiere Pro for the videos which I post in YouTube. So yeah, let's get to the PC and let's get started. As you can see, I have already imported a video on my timeline. This is the video of the Haji Ali Dargah which I recently uploaded. So first we'll be going towards File, and towards the export menu we'll choose media, and here you can see a new window has popped out with the preview of the video and then different settings which you need to choose from. The first setting which you need to take care is this, like the source range. Either you can choose like sequence in and out, you can put a position for the video, like if you want to cut out some part of the video like to make a trailer or something. But if you have already edited all your videos and the timeline is ready, you should choose the entire sequence, which I mostly use. And then we'll go towards the right side where you'll be seeing so many settings. I won't go in much detail about the settings here in the right hand side, because these settings are set when you import the video to your timeline and you might not actually need to change these. First thing which you see here is the match sequence settings. Do not press on that because we'll be changing the settings down here depending on our requirement. And yeah, the format is S264, which is good for YouTube videos. And then there's the match source high bitrate, as we won't be changing this because we'll be setting it up for ourselves. And then let's go to the basic video setting. As you can see, our video is like full HD video of 1920 1080. Then there's the frame rate and the different settings which you don't have to like mess with. And then there's the render at maximum depth. You can try this, but I have not got any different results by trying this, except the time of the export gets too long. So I will not suggest you guys to choose this because there is nothing much which changes here. And then we'll start with the bitrate settings, and as you can see, there is VBR 1 pass and VBR 2 pass. The full form of VBR is variable bitrate, and we'll be choosing the 2 pass here. In VBR 2 pass, Premiere Pro analyzes the whole project and then chooses the best compression for you, which gets us the best results for our video. So the main settings which I use is 14 target bitrate and then 16 as the maximum bitrate. And that's it. Like we won't be choosing any advanced settings. And yeah, in the last panel there's use maximum render quality and use previews. Maximum render quality is something I will suggest you guys, which will get you some really good quality videos if you are exporting it from Premiere. And then the use previews is mostly for like slow computers. If you have a slow processor, you can choose this option, which will reduce the export time and you can get your videos exported easily. And then there's the set time code, render alpha channel. These are something which I don't think 99% of the people will choose. Like most of the settings here will hardly be chosen by many people if you are not working on some big projects or something which you have a requirement to choose the settings and all. And yeah, then we press the export button, and as you can see, another window pops out which shows you the estimated time remaining. So yeah guys, that was a short tutorial on the different settings which I use to export my videos from Premiere Pro to upload to YouTube. That's it. I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel if you are new here. See you on Friday when I upload a travel vlog, so do not forget to watch that.